Hello, students, and welcome to an opportunity to have some fun and exercise your creativity in science class. Hopefully, yesterday you had the opportunity to start looking over all of your books' home activities. Today, you are going to be checking out Google Classroom and linking to a Google Sheet. What is a Google Sheet? Well, you probably already know, but let me just show you the Google Sheet that you will be accessing today. Now, on this Google Sheet here, the first thing you're going to need to do is to make sure that you look at the bottom of the Google Sheet and make sure you are on the right grade level. Are you on the seventh grade or are you on the eighth grade? So check it out, okay? So on the bottom here, you'll toggle back and forth between the seventh grade, and if you're on the seventh grade, you'll see the list of topics from 1 to 24 that are in your book for the year. You'll also notice it is divided then by homeroom. And I want you to make sure that you select your correct homeroom before you select the topic that you are most interested in. This is a first come, first serve, so it's kind of a race now in order to sign up for that topic that you are most interested in producing a home activity video on. You read the guidelines yesterday. Hopefully, you've reviewed them here today, and you are well aware of the requirements of you when producing your home activity video. So, when you are ready, you're going to go to this linked Google Sheet document, select the topic that you are most interested in, enter your name, and you're done for this particular assignment. If the topic you wanted to choose has already been selected by someone else, then go to your second choice. And if your second choice is already filled, go to your third choice. And you keep on going down your list of choices until you find an empty slot that you are going to be choosing for your video project. Now, a good question was asked in one of the classes yesterday about whether you can do this with a partner. Well, that is a question best left to you. I prefer that you all do this individually. However, if given the restrictions that exist in our culture today and the availability of maybe a friend who's a neighbor, etc., whether you are in the same safety pod or not, will determine whether you are even able to work together or not in a small group. But let's say your best friend is in this class and you and their family are tight and close together, and you're all healthy and safe, and it's okay with your parents, and you're over each other's house all the time, then yes, you can work with a partner, in which case put both of your names in the list under the appropriate topic and the appropriate homeroom. Okay? So consider that before signing up. So once again, make sure that you check the correct grade level on the bottom of the sheet. Find the topic that you are most interested in. Find the column for your homeroom. Double click in the space that you want to put your name and enter your name. After clicking it twice, enter your name, and you're done for this particular activity. And then you can move on to the next activity in Google Classroom. So good luck getting your top few choices here, and we'll talk about this later. In fact, next week, I will be guiding you through the process step by step along the way to space it out so that you're not overwhelmed by this particular project. Alrighty then. So until we talk about it later, I'll say bye bye.